Good morning, you guys. Here's my second update for the seedlings that I'm growing indoors under my LED lights. Let me show you the progress and the things that I have growing. Some of them are taking off, some of them are slowly getting there, but it's very early in the season, so I'm hopeful. So these guys right here are my coleus. I just started these yesterday, so there is not much going on. I just gave them a little bit of water, so they are still a little bit wet. Nothing going on there. Let me grab all the peppers. So here are all my peppers that I am starting for this season. Let me show you these guys right here. I have a bunch of jalafuegos here coming through. Look at that. And the first row over here are Craig's Grande Jalapenos as well. These are the jalafuegos. The poblanos are not there yet, but if I remember correctly, they took their time last year. And the black Hungarian, I have 1, 2, and 3. Look at that. It's beautiful. And nothing on the ajipancas just yet. And this right here, here's my little, I didn't really want to completely close this, so I just added a little bit of tape, and that did it. But I don't need the dome part anymore. Look at those peppers there. These are regular jalapenos, Tim jalapenos. They're beautiful. And then these right here are the sweet peppers. Oh, they're just doing amazing. So I have habanada in the first row here. I have about 4 seedlings coming. In the next row, I have a sheep nose pimento, gorgeous, and king of the north. Look at that. That one still has the seed there. So these are all my peppers. So right here I have lisianthus. Yeah, they're very, very tiny. I don't even know if you can tell them from the video. They're super tiny. I should have started these like last year in the fall. These right here are Eucalyptus. They're not bad. This one is probably the best of all of them. This one is okay. This one is tiny. This one actually has, for a second, it's working in its third set of leaves, so it's not that bad. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 baby blue eucalyptus. I'll probably be looking into potting them up maybe here in the next week or so. And then here are more eucalyptus. 1 baby eucalyptus, that's like the tiniest. And then another one here, super tiny. And then these right here on the side are silver leaf mountain gum. Look at that. I'm trying to show you compared to my finger just how small they are. Slowly, they're getting there. And this right here, it's lemongrass. I started a few days ago. This is one that I know is going to take a little bit. Nothing yet. It's only been there like 4 or 5 days. And look at the onions. Aren't they so crazy gorgeous? Look at all of the tips. If you notice, some of the tips were yellowing. I had them in the shelf underneath it, which I have all of the other seedlings going. And the lights on that shelf are very, very low because that's what I need them to be, closer to my seedlings. And the onions were getting really tall that they were reaching the light. So instead, I move them to the next shelf up where the lights are a lot higher. And they're going to be doing a lot better. But it doesn't matter because here in a few weeks, once they are a little bit taller, like this tall, I'll come here and give them their first trim. Because right now it doesn't matter just how tall they get. I need them to concentrate on working on the roots. Okay, and then let me show you the flowers that I have growing, you guys. Okay, oh my goodness. So let me show you this. I'm trying to look at the best light possible so you can see. There we go, it's much better. So these are the ornamental kale. These are older seeds that I had from last year. And they are just doing so well. Almost every seed germinated, so I am very happy about that. The next one that I have is foxglove. I don't know if you can see that, the little tiny green dots, but they're coming. And the next ones that I have, I am very excited about this one. This one here is Dusty Miller silver dust. So I have one there coming. And then I have one more here, super tiny, but it's coming. And then the next one up that it's you can see a lot better is Scarlet Sage Salvia, which is this row. It's beautiful. And then I have Victoria Blue Salvia. It's right here. Just beautiful. And then the ones on the back, all of these are the snapdragons right here. I don't have any snapdragons coming just yet. Only for one type, Magic Carpet. I don't know if you can see that there. So tiny, so tiny. So pretty soon, I am sure that the ornamental kale will have to be potted up because obviously these still need a lot of time and these are on their way to be grown up. And the domes for the peppers, I'm going to be removing those here soon because I don't need them anymore. They did help with germination, I believe, but instead of fighting them every time, now I'm just going to remove the lids. I'm going to save them because once I potted the tomatoes, once I pot the peppers up to a bigger container, I can reuse this container, and having this lid might actually help. So that is the update for today, you guys. I am very excited with how everything is growing. My peppers are doing great. The flowers are doing great. The eucalyptus and the lisianthus could be going a little bit faster, but that's fine too, I guess. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. And if you haven't, make sure to subscribe. I'll be doing, I believe I'll be doing some brassicas next week to get them going inside so that they can be transplanted outside here in about a month. So make sure to subscribe, and until the next video.